Today I decided to go out and record myself doing product shots. I decided to do that because there's a lot of people that ask me all the time, hey yo Amir, how I do this? Or hey yo Amir, how I do that? Because there's not too many people that they could know personally that's making clothes, or if not, if there is people that they know that's making clothes, they might not be able to give them this information. So I'm broadcasting this information. Hey, my dog, loud as hell. So I'm broadcasting this information today to tell everybody about doing product shots and in an inexpensive way. There is ways of doing it that require you to buy other things, but when I first started my clothing brand, I was trying to do everything inexpensively. The least money I could spend, I was happy about, because making clothes, you have to invest to make the product, to sell, to invest again. And it is a real strategic way of doing business. So every time that you could do things inexpensively, trust me, try to do them that way. So today I got for you guys doing product shots. And the first thing I'm gonna start off with is showing you guys that you don't actually need a very expensive camera. That's the crazy part. A lot of people think you need this big, expensive camera to do these product shots. What you don't, you go ahead and get you a cool, decent DSLR camera. You can find them on OfferUp. Inexpensively, I think I got a Nikon D3100, which is very old. It is not like a new style camera. It doesn't have the most features. The lens on it doesn't interchange or nothing like that. But you can get you a non-expensive camera, or you can even use your iPhone. These iPhones cameras are so equipped with very good quality of inner, and so you can use that as well too. So first you just want to go ahead and get you a camera, and then go get you a blank board that you could get scrap wood from. Get you a nice scrap piece of wood that can fit the biggest shirt up on it, so that can fit an extra large or 2XL or even a 3XL, depending on how big you're going. Type of shirt up on there. Get you a white sheet. Like I say, same thing that you get inexpensively. I got mine from Walmart. I think it was about $2-3. So get you a DSLR camera, or you use your iPhone. You get you a piece of scrap wood, a white sheet, and then edit it on. There's free software out there for people that can't afford Photoshop. Right now, I think if you're a student, you can get the Photoshop for about $20 a month, and it comes with the whole bundle. If not, it is a little bit more expensive. I got the student version. Thank God that I went to school and stuff like that. But there is a free version if you need that. And I'm gonna show you guys on the free version because I'm barely learning how to do real Photoshop. I got a way of doing my business on this free program right here. And I want to show everybody too about this free program. They're awesome for allowing this free vector program to be out there on the internet that a lot of people can't take advantage of. I have sent it out to a couple of friends and family that's reached out and told me that they wanted to do Photoshop stuff, but Photoshop was too expensive. So I'm here today just to show you guys those couple of things, and let's get right into it, you know?